This mixed surface physics-based simulator for cycling can figure out how fast you will be where along an entire route that you upload to it, or just one of the pre-generated ones if you want to try using one of those. And using that data, it can actually pull the weather for each one of those points along your routes, and then it can run the physics simulation again and figure out how fast you will be, taking into account headwinds and tailwinds. Let's explore that. So if I click X right here, I have this sidebar. I can choose to upload a file, or I can simply choose a known course. Let's do something like the Big Sugar Race course. With this open, I can simply scroll down after entering and changing some of these data points, and I can click on this Compute with Weather. This gives you forecasted weather data up into 7 days in the future, I believe. And I can simply click Compute with Weather. And there we go. I just pulled the weather data for approximately every 5 miles along the entire course, and you can hide or show various attributes along the course. And you can view details about weather down here under Route Info. And you can get information like the average wind, the max wind, the minimum wind, tailwind percentage, longest headwind, humidity, all of this good data to help plan for what you might encounter in an upcoming race. And again, this does 2 computations. First, it computes all the way around the course using physics, the surface types, and those things to figure out where you're going to be when, and then it pulls the weather data for each one of those points, spreads it out along the course between where it was pulled, and then it recomputes the simulation again, taking into account headwind and tailwind. I even have advanced options like dynamic CDA, which will make your avatar, so to speak, more aerodynamic into headwinds, a little bit less aerodynamic when with a tailwind, same with going uphill and downhill, and it's great that I can take that into account. I mean, I even take into account the humidity across the course. So it's a fascinating tool, and that's how you can get some weather insights to see where it might be raining on you or where you might be encountering that ridiculous headwind in some upcoming race or event or just route that you have planned.